love working with Cytracom. It allows us to scale, allows us to, we can deploy firewalls very quickly with ControlOne. Because of how ControlOne works, we can add a firewall very quickly. We don't need as much technical expertise. You know, we used to have to know 4 or 5 different firewalls and all the ins and outs and how rules are managed on each one. Now we just have one cloud-based dashboard and we can deploy a firewall in 5 minutes. We can set up VLANs, VLAN equivalents, SASE, user-controlled access, conditional access. It's been great. We, as a default, because of all the security risks, we'd have to tell people, don't connect to hotel Wi-Fi, don't use airplane Wi-Fi. Now they're secure anywhere they go, and it's a secure anywhere type solution. And then the reality of it is they can be at home, they can be in Europe and hit print and it goes to their office printer. They can access resources, and then we can also get granular and limit accounting to only talk to accounting devices, and sales can only talk to sales. So it just gives them enterprise level stuff for small and medium business.